Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Duolingo app not working. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. Now, I'm here on Play Store, so let's go ahead and tap on Search at the bottom. From here, let's go to the search bar and search for Duolingo. Tap on the application on top. Now over here, if you see the option of update, make sure you tap on it and your application will be updated to its latest version. So by updating the app, all the app issues and bug errors will be fixed. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that you could uninstall the application and reinstall the app again. Now, the third step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your Android devices. Now, once you come to settings, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here, you could directly search for Duolingo. Tap on it. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on storage. Now at the bottom right, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your Duolingo app not working. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.